Today, I'm sharing a simple method of cooking crispy fried anchovies. This makes an anchovy crispier and to retain its texture for a longer time. They are good for sambal ikan bilis, served with nasi lemak or with banh mi. The ingredients needed are 130 grams of anchovies or ikan bilis with the head and the stomach removed. 2 tablespoons of gogi tempura flour from Thailand. Here is what it looks like. However, any tempura flour can be used as well. And 350 grams of oil for deep frying. The full list of the ingredients and the measurements are in the see more link. Put all the cooking oil in the pan. Switch on the heat. Let the oil to heat up to its optimal temperature for deep frying. This will take around 4 to 5 minutes. Meanwhile, wash the anchovies. I prefer my anchovies to be less salty and very clean, so I will wash them multiple times. If preferred, 1 or 2 washes is fine too. The first wash is usually very cloudy. Drain the water. Continue with the second wash. Drain the water. At the third wash, the water is still very cloudy. Fourth wash, the water is getting clearer and the anchovies looks cleaner now. I will wash it one last time. At the fifth wash, many impurity and saltiness from the anchovy have been removed. Leave them aside. Check the oil by immersing the tip of the long wooden chopstick in the oil. If a lot of bubbles form, the oil is ready hot and is optimal for deep frying. When the oil is ready, coat the anchovy with tempura flour. Spread the anchovy evenly in the tray. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of tempura flour on the anchovies. Rub and gently toss the anchovy to evenly coat them. Sprinkle 1 more tablespoon of tempura flour and repeat. The anchovies are dry and well coated with tempura flour. Let's fry them. Sprinkle the anchovies on the hot oil. Spread them around the pan. Use long chopstick or spatula to stir them gently to evenly cook them. Keep stirring and turning the anchovy. Fry them for 7 minutes in medium heat. After 5 minutes, continuously turn the anchovy as most of them are cooked and are turning brown. This is crucial to prevent them from burning. After 6.5 minutes, the anchovies are very crispy and slightly brown. Remove them from the hot oil before they turn completely brown, as the residual heat will continue cooking them. When they have cooled, the color will be slightly darker and they will be even crispier. Gently shake and toss them to remove the excess oil. Switch off the heat. This looks so perfect. Place the anchovy on a netting to allow to cool down for maximum crispiness. A kitchen towel paper or the oil absorbent paper works as well. However, some crispiness may be lost as the anchovy will soak the oil while it is cooling. After about 25 minutes, the crispy fried anchovy have completely cooled down. Remove them from the netting. Let's try one. Oh wow, so crispy and very delicious. Not salty at all. So good and very appetizing. Store in a clean, airtight container. Line the container with kitchen towel paper at the bottom and the side of the container. Put in all the anchovies. Cover the lid. This anchovy will stay crispy and fresh for about 1 to 2 weeks at room temperature. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.